Why hello there. So, during this whole quarantine, I've kind of revisited a lot of stuff I did as a kid. For example, I would watch old movies that I hadn't seen in a long time, like all the Don Knotts movies and Disney movies and all that stuff. Still doing that because... yeah, this hasn't ended. Second, I've listened to a lot of old music like the Beatles, back in style again for me. And finally, I have played a lot of old video games that I used to. So like I picked up the Wii again and it's a lot of fun. Some of the games I've picked up from the Wii are, you know, Wii Sports Resort, and this game called Rockband. Now for those of you who don't know, Rockband or Guitar Hero, they're two different games, but they're basically the same concept. Basically, you pick up a controller guitar, these little things come at you and you gotta play it, so it's like you're playing the song as it's going and you feel like a rock star. So I had this idea. It all started one day when we were gloriously playing the cowbell for 7 hours straight. We were practicing because we were on our way to success for sure. Anyways, my pals Robbie OG, Landon, and Grant were there and we were all having a good time after 7 hours. But then I turned to them and I'm like, come on dogs, what are we doing? We're not gonna get successful like this. Why don't we just play in front of a live, non-real virtual audience and pretend like we're successful? They all looked at each other for a second. They're like, okay. But then I'm like, here's the catch. We play Rock Band, but without sound. And they all looked at each other again, and they're all, yeah, okay. So therefore, we all stumbled into the room where we would play in front of a live, virtual, non-real audience and pretend like we were successful. And from that day forward, we were known as the Battlefront Rockband Boiz. It was glorious. Yeah, none of that happened. I just texted them, I said, hey, you guys want to play Rock Band but without sound so I can have some free content and it'll be fun and funny? They all looked at each other virtually through text and they said, yeah, okay. So it went down. Not funny, didn't laugh. Alright. Oh, I just need to join.
I have to work on a joke to say Crocodile Rock?
Yeah.
Oh, it's the short version though.
Oh,
brains.
You hit me with that.
Why is that? And the guy, that was the source said. But the years went by and the rock was died.
Yes, we're done. We did our first song.
Yeah, that's our song. This is
we'll
our
be outside,
band.
guys, for autographs. Thank you.
Thanks for coming to our show. We're Battlefront Boiz and
oh gosh, crap. Not the cowbell.
The cowbell. Oh, I'm just kidding.
The cowbell.
Wait.
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm doing bass this time.
Guitar.
This
is a bad idea.
Expert, let's go.
Yes, Robbie.
Crowd we have of like
6 people.
Yeah, Lego people.
Where did you go on that account, man?
what's up, Lego construction people? We're here to rock your socks off.
why are we playing here?
How have I not done anything yet? This is supposed to be expert. This is easy. Come on.
I'm bass. No one plays the bass.
Are they, okay, those are supposed to be 8.
You're just playing basic.
Alright.
Ghostbusters! Just something strange in your neighborhood. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters!
Oh
If there's something weird and it don't look good, who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! I'm afraid of no ghosts.
Quality drum bottom drumming.
Neil Peart who? If there's something these things running through your head, who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! An invisible man sneaking in your bed. Ow! Who you gonna call?
R.O. Stein.
Ghostbusters! I know!
Oh, I thought you were gonna say
I don't know
I
the
ain't
song
afraid of
well
no ghosts. Oh, I hear the little girls. Hey, you better call Ghostbusters! Who we gonna call? The Ghostbusters! Louder! Ghostbusters!
Or are we doing another song?
Oh wow, I got 50.
I got
Whatever you want.
41%.
I did 91 this time.
Oh wow, look where it is.
Top one.
Oh my-
the easiest one. We have to.
Oh,
Rising up, back on the street. Did my time, took my chances. Want the best. Oh shoot, we failed.
You wanna do guitar?
Yeah. Grant's like, let me at this.
Alright.
I'll do expert on singing, because I am an expert on singing.
People walking down the street, falling like just watching on their feet. They all don't know where they wanna go, but they all walking in time.
They got the
know. Well, we tried Rockband 2. Looks like it's a failure.
I'm ready, guys.
Alright.
Yeah.
Oh, Trick
Look at
looks
these-
really
boy.
weird in this game. You gotta do green.
I walk to Burger King. Don't know where it goes, but
shoot, I'm in.
that it's at on the boulevard of broken dreams. When the city
He sleeps and I'm the only one and I walk alone.
I walk alone, I walk alone.
I want this Burger King,
Then I walk like all from Burger King.
Songs
of your life will be everywhere I walk along.
Someone say Geddy Lee. You say Beal?
Oh, my strap broke.
What happened? Who paused?
Pause for Robbie. Become a master of accidentally breaking my strap. Okay. Whoa! A gun! That's not okay for YouTube.
I walk.
Ooh, we got Ulysses.
Burger King, then I walk home to Burger King.
Oh.
Walk to Burger King, then
He's
I
actually
walk
nailing
home
it.
to Burger King.
Let's get it done, guys.
Yes, we made it through. 3 stars.
You didn't see that solo.
Okay, who are
Sing
you?
it with me.
Subscribers on YouTube.
I know.
I have 4.
Alright, guys, this is our big show. If we screw it up, our career is done.
Nice.
Say hey! Yeah, the dog yelling out of gate to the end of faith and misery. This is the dawning of the rest of our lives on holiday. Oh, guitar solo. I got a cramp in my back just from screaming.
The representative from California has the floor.
We're on our last one, huh? We're Beatles.
63.
48%.
62.
Oh my gosh, I got second place. Dad, I have succeeded.
Ringo?
You want me to do Ringo?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Paperback Writer.
Yeah.
We're doing paperback.
I don't know this one.
9 on here.
Number 9.
Alright, you guys. The Burger King Beatles.
Paperback writer. Paperback writer. I don't know what I'm singing. Writer. Paperback writer. Paperback writer. Paperback writer. I need water.
Dude, gargle. Gargle into the microphone. You okay? He's not okay.
Get on the stage, macho! Now hold your hand back, Roger! Paperback writer!
What is
Paperback writer! Paperback writer! Paperback writer! Paperback writer! I just ate a toilet! Oh boy.
Hi.
Paul McCartney,
George
Harrison, Ringo Starr, and I'm John Lennon.
Y'all can call me Jorge.
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 I got 40%.
I don't know what.
I'd like to be under the sea in an octopus's garden in the shade. He let us in, knows where we live in his octopus's garden in the shade. It would be warm below the storm. It'll beneath the waves. Resting our head. You would be so happy and unique. No one tells what to do. And an octopus's garden with you. And an octopus's garden with you. Alright, I'm leaving now.
Video's over.
Subscribe, like, comment, subscribe. Who's the first
Make
one?
a donation so you can get a new drum set.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at Battlefront_Boiz, BOIZ.
Dude, I logged out of that account. I don't even use it anymore.
Never mind, don't do that.